Welcome back to my channel. Way to Marchini you guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon. Press all to get notification for all my videos. So after long day, long time you can say, I'm uploading or making this video because I was on board like last 8 months, more than 8 months. So last video I guess I have uploaded in month of Feb. So definitely I will give an update like how was my contract, which all countries I have visited on my last vessel. Video will come maybe tomorrow. I'll try to make. And but today something tragic I'll discuss, like 10 cruise ships or passenger ships sank on bed of sea. I'll discuss regarding it. Uh, you see, you will find lot of accident on board definitely, but these 10 accidents like very tragic and very like very sad you can say. So one by one I will discuss. So first and most important, which created like chaos in shipping industry, RMS Titanic, all you know. So I'll try to read something regarding it. Like it was capable carrying 3,000 people on board. So Titanic was around 270 meter long, and 1912 it has been sank on Atlantic. On the first on maiden voyage, you can call it maiden voyage, means first voyage, it has been sank. So another Costa Concordia, very important, and I guess hopefully you guys have heard about this name, Costa Concordia. This ship is having 17 decks, 3 storage theater, swimming pool, gymnasium, restaurant, and much more. The ship could accommodate over 4,000 people. So on 13 Jan 2012, Captain Francisco Schettino closed the computer navigation alarm system since he thought he could navigate the water himself. Unfortunately, left his glasses in his cabin and damage had been done the time he got them. Despite the 6-hour rescue operation, 34 people died and Coast Guard officers attempt to rescue. Then 16-year prison sentence. Okay, so the captain of Costa Concordia got 16 years prison 2017. Then the MS Estonia. This is a MS Estonia stuck in bad weather in Baltic Sea. You know, as usual, Baltic Sea usually rough sea always because of the wind and all. So in 1980 in Germany, this MS Estonia sank. MS Estonia was around 155 decimal 43 meters long and 24 decimal 2 meter wide, and it's dropped around 5.5 meters, 15,000 GRT. But it is having 9 decks and 10 lifeboats, which is not enough for 2,000 people. So that is the thing. Fourth, RMS Lusitania. This is on the German attack on the cruise ship on 1915. One of the main reasons behind entry of US into the First World War. So during First World War, this vessel enters in the US coastal waters, and it was hit as a naval vessel, contained military weapons for Britain. So it was around 240 meters long vessel, and it is having 10 decks, maximum sailing speed around 26.3 knots, and it could easily carry 2,160 people. So when it sank, it lost around 1201 lives. 1,200 people were sank with this. Fifth, Andrea Doria, SS Andrea Doria, went down because of the rough seas and iceberg of the underwater formation, like same as Titanic. So it is remembered as a world major radar cost collision. The incident could not be averted as thick fog, bad visibility. Okay, because of thick fog, it has been drowned. Over 50 people died in this incident, and but most important part is 1650 people are rescued. Now sixth, I kept SS Eastland. The passenger ship used to touring killed 844 people while it was docked in a port on the Chicago River, 24th July 1915. So 1915 MS Estonia, and this one also. It It is one of the greatest ship accidents recorded in history of Great Lakes. The accident occurred while 2,500 people are embarking on the vessel and preparing to push through Michigan. So after some investigation, the disaster caused some structural flaws and its design, an overloading and inadequacy of the ballast tanks. So sea stability is very important factor. Stability plays a very important part or factor on board the ship. This is one of the reasons behind this. Now seventh, I kept RMS Empress of Ireland. So ocean liner Empress of Ireland was carrying 1477 passengers when it struck another Norwegian vessel, the 6,000 ton. Due to poor visibility in the St. Lawrence River, more than 1,000 people died in 1914. Second biggest cruise disaster of the period following the Titanic incident. So eighth, I kept SS Admiral Nakimov. It was a bulk carrier vessel and it was happened due to the carelessness of captain of the both the vessel. So the captain of the bulk ship failed to respond the warning signal issued by the cruise ship, not present in the bridge when vessels hit each other at 5 knots. See, you might think that 5 knots is not that much speed, but two vessels colliding 5 knots speed, it create impact. Great impact. You have to understand that factor. It create a very great impact. Now ninth, I kept SS Morro Castle. So cruise vessel SS Morro Castle was burned and sank in September 1934, claiming the lives over 135 passengers and crew members. A total of 318 passengers and 239 crew were on the vessel. And we have lost like 135 passengers on board. Accident occurred as fire spread from its library to deck and cabins. So as you know, in library books are there, flammable objects, fire type A. So because of that, it could occur. Now last but not the least, I kept on number 10, Saint Philibert. Saint Philibert, small cruise ship from Loire River near the French coast, met with tragedy in June 1931. Ship was carrying 500 people, mostly workers and the children from Nantes port. Nantes is in the France, exceeded its carrying capacity of 80%. See, in ancient days or previous it was happening that ships used to carry more than its capacity or deadweight. So this is the reason, again, the stability factor. So because of this reason, this incident occurred. So this was the 10 incident or 10 tragic incident, you can say. I have discussed with you guys 10 cruise ship sank into the oceans over the years. This was something about the research I have done, I have made, and I have made this list for you guys. So that's it for the day. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to upload my last ship journey video, and hopefully videos will come now as I'm on leave now. Maybe I don't know, maybe in month of Jan next year I'll join. So before that I'll try to make videos as much as possible. And if you have any doubt, query, you know my number in the description box. You go and check it out. Hopefully you like this video. If you like, please do not forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you. Signing off for the day.